Why does your scanner show the P0236 engine code? What does it mean? P0236 is a diagnostic ruble code for turbocharger boost sensor, a circuit range or performance. It means that the ECM detects the intake boost pressure sensor A input circuit range or performance is out of specifications. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Sensor issues, vacuum or exhaust line issues, defective turbocharger or supercharger, powertrain control module issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles. Commonly comes in Ford vehicles, Chevrolet or GMC, Volkswagen or Audi Group, BMW, Subaru, and Mazda vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.